Is your child struggling with solving word problems? Am I supposed to add or subtract on this one? Unsure how to help your child? I wish my mom knew how to help me with this. One math strategy you can use is called math cues. The first step is to choose an operation. Read the question carefully and select which operation would help you solve the problem.
The second step is to underline the key points in the question. Go back and pick out the most important details in the question.
The third step is to explain your answer. You must show how you got your answer in order to get full credit on the problem.
The last step is to show your answer. Clearly write your answer so it can easily be found.
Here's an example word problem. Kara has 6 apples and Emily has 4. How many more apples does Kara have than Emily? The first step is to choose an operation. Who knows what operation we're going to use? Susie?
I think for this one we would use subtraction.
Correct. So you'd write subtraction in the first box. Okay, and our next step is to underline the key points in the question. Who knows what key points we have in our question? Rachel?
How many more?
How many more? And that tells us that we need to subtract, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so who wants to come up and help me solve these next 2 boxes? Brittany, you want to come on up?
Okay, so I know that Kara has 6 apples and she has more than Emily, and Emily has 4 apples. So that means Kara has 2 more apples than Emily, and so my answer is 2.
Good job, Brittany. That's right. Let's go through another example. Dr. Henry has 32 brownies. She wants to give each of her 8 students an equal amount of brownies. How many brownies would each student get? So our first step is to choose an operation. Who knows what kind of operation we would use on this problem? Kara?
Division?
Correct. So we're going to put division in this first box. Ooh. And so our second step is to underline the key points. Who knows what we would underline in the question? Emily?
How many brownies would each student get?
Okay, great, because that's the question that we're trying to answer, right? Who knows what else we would underline in this question? Alyssa?
Equal amounts.
Equal amount, right. And there's 2 more things we're looking for in this question. Who knows? Yes?
32.
32, right? Because we have 32 brownies we're trying to split up into how many groups? Who knows? Yes?
8.
8. All right, so now we've underlined everything we need in this question. Who wants to come up and help me solve these last 2 boxes? Taylor, you want to come on up?
Okay, so we know that we have 32 brownies, and we're dividing them into 8 groups. So 32 divided by 8 would be 4 groups. 4 brownies in each group, I mean. So my answer would be 4.
Good job, Taylor. Words you should look for.
For addition, look for words such as sum and altogether.
For subtraction, look for words such as difference or more than.
For multiplication, look for words such as product and times.
And for division, look for words such as quotient and equal amounts.
Now it's time to try one on your own. After listening to the example, pause the video and work out the problem.
Joey caught 17 fireflies in his jar. Hunter caught 14 fireflies in his jar. How many fireflies do they have altogether? Now check your answer.